Hello and welcome to our next 10-minute quick access guides. Today we're going to be looking at Dropbox. Dropbox is a facility where we can actually just put the files up there in the cloud and be able to access it from anywhere. So that's basically what it says in a nutshell. So the best thing to do is to necessarily just start off. But before I do that, let me just show you that we have got a little icon here called Dropbox. Which you can actually click on and access your files that senior management have put on the facility to share. Okay, so basically, before I sort of show you how you can actually access these files, let me show you how senior management would be putting a file on the Dropbox account for you to see. Now, this is logged in as SMT Paddock. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to share a file here, and we're going to actually make sure that the two accounts, that's primary and secondary, can actually retrieve those files. So I'm going to create a new shared file. I'd like to create a new file, so I'm going to create a new one. Okay, what is the name of the new? So I'm going to put test share. Okay, so we're going to call it a test share. Now this is the allow people to actually, so I'm going to invite somebody. Let's say I'm going to invite primary, okay, at paddock.wandsworth.sch.uk. I'm going to invite secondary. Okay, so I'm going to invite these two guys in to have a look at my files that I'm going to be sharing. Okay, so the first thing we look at is the test share here, which is the one that I've just created. And I'm going to actually, first of all, before I do anything, add a file in there. Okay, so here I go. I can create a new folder. Let's create a new folder. Let's say I just want this for, I don't know, teachers. Okay, so it's created a folder for teachers. So once I go into teachers, I can upload a file. So I'm going to choose a file that I want to upload, and in my case, I'm going to put the cloud up there. That's always a good thing to put up there. That shows that we are actually in the cloud at the moment. These files are stored up there. You can create a link to these files if you wanted to, and that'll be the link. So you can actually give this link to somebody, and they'll be able to access that file straight away in their emails. Okay. So basically, that's what we've done at the moment. We've shared a folder called test share. We've created another folder called teachers in there, and then we put a file in there called cloud. Okay, so now basically what we're going to do is we're going to come out of this account, and we're going to log in as a different account, as a primary account. So we go to the Paddock School, like I mentioned before. Actually, I don't think this is going to work, but anyway, let's see. I'll tell you why it's not going to work. You can see I'm already logged in as, right. Okay, no, it didn't. Right, so I'm going to log in now. So I'm going to log in as primary at paddock.wandsworth.sch.uk. Now, as soon as I go in there, you can see that I've logged in. I'm logged as primary Dropbox. And if I go to my sharing, share invitations, test share, and that's the one that I was 2 minutes ago. Right. This is the one that I'm looking at the moment. This was the one that I was doing the test before, so I accept that. View folder. And hopefully I've got a folder called teachers and the cloud. I hope you've enjoyed watching the videos, and this is how you share it with secondary as well. Thank you.